When it comes to project management tools, many are left wondering, Asana versus Smartsheet, which one is more powerful? Both are popular choices, but which one will actually help you deliver your projects with ease, precision, and efficiency? Let's take a deep dive into both so you can make an informed decision. First, let's talk about Asana. It's known for its user-friendly interface and flexibility. You can easily create tasks, assign them to team members, and track progress with visual boards, lists, or timelines. It's ideal for teams who prioritize collaboration and simplicity. However, while it's intuitive, it lacks the advanced features some larger teams might need. For instance, its reporting options are limited, and while it's great for day-to-day project management, Asana doesn't always scale well for complex project structures. Next, let's look at Smartsheet. Smartsheet offers a much more comprehensive suite of features. Its interface is similar to a spreadsheet, which makes it an easy transition for those already familiar with Excel. It comes packed with automation, reporting, and resource management tools, which makes it powerful for larger, more complex projects. But there's a downside. The user interface isn't as sleek as Asana's, and the learning curve can be steep. If you're not ready to dive deep into its many features, it can be overwhelming at first. The third thing to consider is customization. Asana is highly customizable, allowing you to tailor your projects to fit your team's specific needs. You can adjust workflows, add custom fields, and more. But if you need deep customizability on reporting, data tracking, or resource management, Smartsheet pulls ahead. It lets you not only customize workflows, but also offers advanced reporting options, dashboards, and integrations with various third-party applications. If you have a more technical team, Smartsheet's customization will likely meet your needs better. Next thing, pricing. Asana offers a free version that works well for small teams with basic needs. However, once you need advanced features like timelines or reporting, you'll have to move up to their premium plans, which can get pricey. Smartsheet also offers a free trial, but doesn't offer a free plan like Asana. Their pricing structure is based on the number of users, so as your team grows, so does the cost. For larger teams, it can get quite expensive, especially when compared to Asana's premium tiers. But Smartsheet's additional features might justify the cost if your project management needs are more complex. The fifth thing, collaboration. Both Asana and Smartsheet excel in this area, but with slightly different approaches. Asana's focus on simplicity means collaboration is straightforward, with the ability to add comments, attach files, and tag teammates in tasks. Smartsheet takes it a step further with real-time updates, email notifications, and the ability to share sheets with external stakeholders. However, this added functionality can sometimes feel like too much if you're just looking for a simple, streamlined way to collaborate. Lastly, if you're considering scalability, Smartsheet's extensive set of features makes it more suitable for large organizations, especially those managing multiple projects or teams. It gives you the flexibility to manage complex workflows, and its powerful automation helps ensure things run smoothly. Asana, on the other hand, is better suited for smaller to medium-sized teams who are looking for something easy to use without the need for advanced features. Both Asana and Smartsheet are solid tools, but depending on the scale and complexity of your projects, one may work better than the other. Smartsheet is perfect for those who need advanced features and scalability, while Asana is great for teams that prioritize ease of use and collaboration. However, after trying both of these myself, I found a better alternative that I highly recommend. If you want to manage projects with even greater efficiency and power, I suggest checking out the link in the description. With the exclusive free trial through our link, you'll get access to a tool that might just be the solution you're looking for. You'll be able to experience all the benefits without the high costs or overwhelming complexity. Don't miss out on the best free trial available only to our viewers.